Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out when your Facebook account was created. So let's get started the video. Open up the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And then tap on the settings icon again in the top right corner. Now scroll down the page until you get to the option where it says Your Information. Then tap on the second option, which is Access Your Information. The last thing that you want to tap on is where it says Personal Information. Click on it. And as you can see under the profile information, it tells you when your account was created, and that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.